Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an innovative business idea that could change the way you handle your laundry forever. Let's talk about the laundry and dry cleaning pickup and delivery service. Imagine this. No more lugging heavy laundry bags across town, no more waiting in line at the laundromat, and no more folding mountains of clothes. This business idea is all about convenience and making life easier for your customers. We're talking about giving people back their precious time while providing a service everyone needs. And the best part? This business has the potential to be huge. I mean, who doesn't hate doing laundry, right? So, if you're ready to dive into the world of suds, spin cycles, and serious business potential, buckle up. Alright, let's break down the heart of this business. Pickup and delivery. This is where you make life insanely easy for your customers. Instead of them coming to you, you go to them. Think about it. You're offering to pick up their dirty laundry straight from their doorstep. No need for them to leave their house or apartment. Now you can set specific pickup and delivery windows, maybe mornings and evenings, to make it super convenient. And don't forget about those living the busy life. Target businesses and office complexes too. Imagine the relief of employees dropping off their laundry before work and having it returned fresh and clean by the time they clock out. Talk about a productivity booster. But how do you make the pickup and delivery process smooth and efficient? That's where technology comes in. Invest in a user-friendly app where customers can schedule pickups, track their orders, and make payments. We'll dive deeper into the tech side of things later. Just remember, the name of the game here is convenience. The easier you make it for customers to say yes to your service, the faster your business will grow. Think about it. Would you rather spend your weekend doing laundry or having fun and letting someone else take care of it? Yeah, I thought so. Okay, so you've got the pickup and delivery down, but what about the actual laundry? Don't worry, it's not rocket science. The wash and fold service is your bread and butter. This is where you handle all the basic laundry needs: washing, drying, and yes, even folding. Now, to handle the volume, you'll need to invest in some heavy-duty industrial-sized washing machines and dryers. Remember those giant machines they have at the laundromat? Yeah, those bad boys. But don't skimp on quality. Get machines known for their efficiency and cleaning power. Happy customers mean more laundry, and that means more money. Now let's talk about folding. I know, folding laundry is nobody's favorite chore. But trust me, a neatly folded pile of clothes adds that extra touch of professionalism to your service. Plus, it saves your customers even more time and hassle. You can even offer different folding options like basic folding or hanging garments to cater to different preferences. Remember, the goal is to make your service so good, so ridiculously convenient, that people can't imagine going back to their old ways. Now, not everything can be tossed into a regular washing machine. That's where dry cleaning comes in. Let's face it, some clothes are just high maintenance. We're talking about your delicate fabrics, your fancy suits, your dazzling dresses. You don't want to be responsible for ruining someone's prized cashmere sweater, right? Instead of taking on the risks and complexities of dry cleaning yourself, partner up. Find a reputable dry cleaner in your area and establish a solid working relationship. They handle the delicate stuff, and you handle the pickup and delivery, expanding your service offerings and catering to a wider customer base. It's a win-win situation. And hey, while you're at it, why not offer other specialized cleaning services? Think about it. Wedding dress cleaning, sneaker cleaning, even rug cleaning. The possibilities are endless. By partnering with experts in different cleaning niches, you become a one-stop shop for all your customers' cleaning needs. Alright, let's talk about speed. We live in a world of instant gratification, right? People want things fast, and that includes their laundry. That's why offering an express service is a total game changer. Think same-day delivery or even 24-hour turnaround times. Now, this does require some extra effort and coordination on your end. You might need to hire additional staff or invest in more delivery vehicles to handle the faster turnaround. But trust me, the premium price you can charge for express service is totally worth it. Imagine this. It's Sunday night, and someone has a big job interview Monday morning. But their lucky shirt is sitting in a pile of dirty laundry. That's where you come in, like a laundry superhero, offering express service to save the day. They get their lucky shirt cleaned and delivered before their big interview, and you gain a customer for life. Talk about a win-win. Let's talk about building a loyal customer base. How do you turn one-time users into repeat customers? Subscription plans, my friend. This is where you offer discounted rates for recurring laundry services. For example, you could have a weekly plan for busy professionals or a monthly plan for family. Subscription plans provide consistent income for your business, which is crucial for growth and stability. Plus, they save your customers money in the long run, which they'll definitely appreciate. To make your subscription plans even more enticing, offer different tiers with varying levels of service. You could have a basic plan that includes wash and fold, a premium plan that adds dry cleaning, or even a deluxe plan that throws in express service and stain removal. The key is to give your customers options that fit their needs and budgets. Alright, let's talk about going above and beyond. We've covered the basics, but what about those unique cleaning needs? That's where specialized cleaning services come in, baby. This is where you can get creative and tap into different niches. Think about it. Wedding dress cleaning, sneaker cleaning, rug cleaning, even leather and suede care. These specialized services require specific expertise and equipment, so you might need to partner with specialists or invest in additional training for your staff. But trust me, the premium price you can charge for these services makes it totally worth it. People are willing to pay top dollar for the peace of mind knowing their valuable items are being cared for by professionals. So go ahead, become the go-to laundry expert in your area, offer services that nobody else is offering, and watch your business soar. Eco-friendly options, save the planet, one load at a time. Okay, let's talk about saving the planet, one load of laundry at a time. In today's world, people are becoming more and more environmentally conscious. By offering eco-friendly laundry options, you're not only attracting a specific customer base, but you're also doing your part to reduce your environmental impact. Win-win. So, how do you make your laundry business more eco-friendly? Start by using biodegradable detergents and fabric softeners. These products are gentler on the environment and break down more easily than traditional laundry products. Next, invest in high-efficiency washing machines and dryers. These machines use less water and energy, which is good for the planet and your bottom line. You can even take it a step further by using solar panels to power your laundry facility. Imagine that, laundry powered by the sun. Now that's what I call a feel-good business. Now let's talk about scaling your business. Sure, individual customers are great, but landing corporate clients can take your laundry business to the next level. Think about it. Hotels, restaurants, gyms, even hospitals. These businesses generate massive amounts of laundry on a daily basis. By offering tailored corporate packages, you can secure a steady stream of high-volume orders. The key here is to understand the specific needs of each business. A hotel might need fresh linens and towels daily, while a restaurant might require tablecloths and napkins cleaned several times a week. Offer competitive pricing, flexible pickup and delivery schedules, and exceptional customer service to win over those big clients. And don't forget about employee perks. Offering discounted laundry services to employees of your corporate clients is a great way to build relationships and generate even more business. It's all about building those long-term partnerships. Alright, let's talk about taking convenience to the next level. Locker-based drop-off and pickup systems are becoming increasingly popular, and for good reason. These systems allow your customers to drop off and pick up their laundry at their convenience, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. No more waiting for specific pickup windows or rearranging their schedules. You can strategically place these lockers in apartment complexes, office buildings, or even busy commercial areas. Customers simply create an account, select their locker location, and drop off their laundry bags. You're notified of the drop-off, and your team takes care of the rest. When the laundry is clean and ready for pickup, the customer receives a notification with a unique code to unlock the locker. Easy peasy. Locker-based systems reduce the need for multiple delivery trips and provide unmatched flexibility for your customers. Okay, let's bring it all together with technology. In today's digital age, a seamless online experience is crucial for any successful business, and your laundry pickup and delivery service is no exception. Invest in a user-friendly mobile app and website where customers can easily create accounts, schedule pickups, track their orders, make payments, and manage their subscriptions. Make the sign-up process a breeze. Allow customers to log in using their social media accounts or email addresses. Offer multiple payment options, credit cards, debit cards, even mobile payment platforms. And don't forget about those push notifications. Keep your customers informed every step of the way with timely updates about their orders. A well-designed app and website not only enhance the customer experience, but also provide valuable data about customer behavior, preferences, and pain points. Use this data to optimize your services, personalize marketing campaigns, and stay ahead of the competition. So there you have it, folks. A comprehensive look at starting your own laundry and dry cleaning pickup and delivery service. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more business ideas and tips. See you in the next video.